Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you forgot your lock screen password to your OnePlus 15. In such case, the best solution would be to contact OnePlus Customer Support service and tell them about your issue. And if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them by, for example, showing them a receipt or an e-receipt from the store where you bought the phone, they'll be able to help you out with regaining access to your smartphone without removing any personal data from it, like photos, files, applications, settings, or anything else. So this is why I consider this option to be the best one. So yeah, if you can, you should totally try to go this way. But if you cannot regain access to your smartphone this way, you still can perform a factory data reset operation on it yourself and therefore regain access to it immediately. However, the factory reset operation will remove all the files from your device. So unless you have some kind of backup prepared, you're gonna have to use your device, start using your device as a new one. Now, there are two ways to perform factory reset operation on the smartphone. The one is the remote one, and the other one is local. To perform the factory reset operation locally, you're gonna have to go into the recovery mode and do it from the recovery mode. And if you want to do this locally, you can you should check the other video on our channel that explains how to perform factory reset operation locally step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out that video. If you want to perform the factory reset operation remotely, you can easily do this by using any other device that has internet connection on it, to go to the website, to the web browser, opening the search engine and searching for the Find Hub service by Google. Once you find this website, open it and log in using your Google account data, so login and password. Now, yeah, I forgot to mention that this option will only be available for you if you see this kind of notification when trying to turn off your phone. So the one saying you can locate this phone with Find My Device with even when powered off. So once you log in using your email and password, you will see the list of devices linked to your Google account, and you will easily be able to find your OnePlus 15 on the list. Once you select it, now the options for this device in my case look kind of differently because I'm using this device right now. But once you enter it, tap the gear icon next to it, and once you do that, select factory reset and confirm on the second page to perform factory reset operation. So after that, you're gonna have to set up your device as a new one, and that will be it. Your access will be regained. However, there is a third possibility. If you do remember your device's password, so the one that lets you successfully access your smartphone last time, but you still cannot use your device because your phone just won't accept it this time, and this might be because of some third-party application or some background activity is affecting the way your lock screen behaves. And in such case, you're gonna have to enter the safe mode to try to enter your device in it using your regular password without any third-party applications being enabled. To do so, you're gonna have to press power button and volume up key at the same time, then swipe up for restart and wait for your OnePlus logo to appear on your screen. Once it appears, immediately start holding down the volume down button and keep holding it until your device is fully started. So once you see the OnePlus logo on your screen, hold down the volume down button. And once your device is booted into safe mode, you will see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of your device's screen. If you don't see it there, just try once again. Eventually you will get there. Now try entering your password, and in case you succeed, before you try to figure out what kind of application could have caused this, go to your settings menu, then go to security and privacy, and remove your screen lock by going to device unlock, screen lock, enter your password, and then select turn off password, and for some reason we have to confirm the password once again. Now reboot your device normally by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time, and select restart and let your device restart. It will reboot normally this time. So that's it. That's the solution for your issue, and I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.